Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell and then you'll never miss any of my wig related videos. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support at pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So today I'm bringing you a review for this beautiful long wig. This is Peerless. It's a 22-inch length. And the color on this one is Honey with Chai Latte. So I've always kind of wanted to try this blonde. This blonde's just a little bit warmer and a little bit more gold in their little family of blonde colors that they have. So we'll get into more of that in just a moment. All right, let's jump in. We'll start talking about Peerless by BelleTress in the color Honey with Chai Latte. Okay, so Peerless is a middle part, and then she has these curtain bangs. And I always like to be honest with you guys when I do these reviews. I'm going to tell you, these bangs, I have been on the struggle bus with these bangs. So came out of the package with a zigzag part, of course. And with short fibers, short bang fibers in zigzags can sometimes be a real pain because what they want to do is this. They want to stick straight up. So they were basically kind of like up, and I thought they looked very, I don't know, 70s. You know, like a little up with a little wing, you know, which you could certainly wear them that way, you know. I mean, to me, I don't know, at a certain age, I think you wear your hair however you want to, girl, you know. But, you know, I was trying to smooth them down so that they looked more like the pictures that BelleTress has put out of the wig. They just have pictures of her on a wig head. But let me tell you, this one side still wants to do its stick up floopy thing. I did use my hot air brush a little bit and tried to, you know, smooth them down. This side is laying just fine. I'm very happy with the way this side is laying. So I just want to let you guys know that, because when you get this wig and you take it out of the package, you may have to work on these bangs a little bit. So if you don't have a ton of experience with working with wig fibers and stuff like that, this may not be the wig for you. So another thing to note, of course, is this is a 22-inch long wig. So you're going to need to have your, you know, wide tooth comb, and you're going to have to take care of these fibers, you know, give them that special care that they need because they are heat friendly. Okay, so all that aside, I will do a turn and we can get into all our measurements and all that stuff. So here she is from the front, very pretty. I like the waves. They're just very subtle, you know, all the way down to the end. They're light and airy and just, you know, give the fibers really pretty. They lay very pretty, and then they have really pretty movement. So, okay, so here's my left. The back. She's long. Lower mid back. My right. And then back to the front. Okay, so as far as her cap construction, she has a middle mono part, and she has a lace front. So even with the bangs, she has a lace front, which means, you know, if you wanted to pull them back, you could do that. That they are short. We'll get into the measurements in just a second. So you have, I've got good coverage around, you know, the face with the ear tabs. Ear tabs are nice, staying in place nicely and all that kind of stuff. I'll show you that middle mono. It's a little hard to get, like I said, that zigzag out, so I hope you can see that mono part somewhat. They are really, the zigzags on these BelleTress wigs, I've noticed, are really, really tight. So, okay, so measurement-wise, we have a 4 to 6 inch here in the front. So that bang is, the shortest layer is 4, and then it gradually goes down to this 6-inch measurement. She has 17-inch sides. She is 21.5 in the back, and then her nape is 14.5. So very long, like I said. It's past the bra strap, about the middle of my lower back is where it's coming to. Weight-wise, she is 6.4 ounces. Okay, I will pop her off and we can look at her interior cap construction. Okay, here's that part. Again, like I said, I'm struggling. It just keeps going back into its zigzag. So, but you can see some of the mono there. Okay, I'll flip her inside out here. All right, so she's got a temple to temple lace front. And as you can see, she's got this middle mono area, middle mono part. Just closed lace around that part, no permatease. And that's temple to temple on that lace front. She's got the soft felt covered ear tabs with a nice piece of metal, a lot of hair on there, so she's nice for off the face styling. She's open wefted all through the cap. She has pull adjusters, and she does not have an extended nape. 22 inches long and no extended nape. I think that's a flub up personally. Cap, of course, has plenty of stretch. This cap's fitting me a little bit big on my petite head, so I need to pull the adjusters in, you know, to make it fit, but that's good. That means it'll stretch to lots of head circumference. Okay, let's talk about this pretty color. This is Honey with Chai Latte, and I've always been curious about what this color would look like with my skin tone, you know, like I am about all these blondes. So, you know, and I'm pleased with it. It's this blonde compared to, you know, Butterbeer or the Root Beer Float is definitely warmer. It's more gold, more of a yellowy, you know, tone. So really, really pretty, warmer blonde if that's what you're looking for. Okay, so they describe it as a blend of warm medium blonde and a pale golden blonde with platinum highlights, which I do see. So I like the variation that you see. You see that darker golden blonde, and then you're gonna see that more pale blonde, and then you're going to see that even lighter platinum in there. So very, very pretty. And it has a medium brown root. So there's the rooting. Rooting looks good. It is I would say warm. When I first took it out of the box, I almost saw like, you know, a hint of red in it. So, you know, we'll see what it looks like outside, but it's definitely, I would say, a warmer root. You know, you've got the lighter hairs towards the lace front there, but you can still see that rooting behind it. And then you can see your rooting around your face here. You're gonna see your rooting all, you know, along the back. If you put it up, you're gonna see your rooting anytime you separate the hair, you know, for styling. So here we are without the bright light. Doesn't change it that much. I actually think you see the variation better. I think the platinum pops a little bit more without that bright light. Okay, we'll look at it outside. We are outside on under my patio cover on a bright sunny day, looking at Honey with Chai Latte on Peerless. So there's that lace front. Again, there's mono part. I'm sorry, I couldn't get it more open. And Honey with Chai Latte. So we've got warm, we've got just a pale blonde, and we have a platinum in there. So here's the color in the sun, and I think you can see more of that warmth that I'm talking about in the rooting there. Okay, and I'll step into the shade here. Pretty blonde. I think my bangs are starting to behave a little more. That's nice. They look pretty in the wind. Okay, so let's look at styling and glasses and all that kind of stuff. So she is low density, so not hard to tuck behind the ears, which is nice. Glasses go up on the head very easily. These BelleTress styles I find are super easy for your glasses, your sunglasses, all that kind of stuff. The ear tabs are thin, so they're easy to deal with. So, okay, so try a headband on her. There's that one bang. You know, and I guess you could keep the bangs back if you wanted to, or you could pull, you know, those little layers out just right around the face. I think that's probably what I would do. Looks cute. And then she's really, really pretty to style. I took some pictures of her that I'll post on my Instagram that, you know, like in a side pony and stuff like that. And she looks really, really pretty. So she's really pretty for a half up, half down. She's got a ton of length, so, you know, you could do updos with her. You're just gonna have to be mindful of the fact that for some reason, they didn't give her an extended nape. So, beautiful ponytail. Twist, you know. And you can pull down more of these pretty, you know, some of these little layers are gonna wanna come down, which is really pretty. You have those, you know, bangs to frame the face. So looks very, very pretty. You know, and you could braid her. Like I said, I took a picture of her with a side pony, and I took a little piece from under here. I just had an elastic on it, and I twisted that hair around to hide, you know, the little elastic, and it looked really, really pretty. So really, really cute. She's got great length. And then of course, you know, you can, if you want to, you know, clip these bangs off the forehead if you want to, because you have that lace front, so that's nice. So, okay, so I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. Thank you so much for watching today, and take care of yourselves, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye!